Anyways, the queen is back and okay, y'all. So I'm back and this is my food. I don't know. Oh yeah, y'all can see me straight. So this is my food. I don't really know how a mukbang go, you know what I mean? And I'm eating on my bed. That's so. But this is what I got. That's what I got. And then oh, let me put them up before we smoking on crab legs. Yeah, that's what I got basically. And I'm gonna dink it. I'm gonna sink in. I got a lobster tail, crab, shrimp, the whole nine. So this place is I'm gonna be so messed up, bro, when I'm done. But the lobster tail is straight. I mean, this video gonna be messy. This video gonna be fucking messy, bro. And I already look a fucking mess. That shrimp is busting. I mean, busting. But what the fuck happened outside? Oh, so I was out there. We already heard the story, but I was young, like, and I was like, damn, they must not see me up here. Like, I don't want to be in all y'all business. I don't want to be them nosy neighbors, you know what I mean? This is probably going to get on people's nerves because I'm eating with my fingers. And I got hella long nails, but bitch, I'm hungry. I ain't ate all day. Got a potatoes that that's what I didn't get. Napkins. I might just have to come back after I'm done, because it's getting a little bit too good and I don't want to be on here sound like a damn hungry hippo or something, you know what I mean? This is good. But yeah, back to the neighbors. It was fussing and fighting, and I was just like, and then he gonna ask me for a whole blunt. He's gonna ask me for a whole blunt full of za for $5. It's 15 a G. It's 15 a G. So if I pay 15 a G for this, and it's 1 G in a blunt, and you want to get it for $5, that's $15, bro. What other 10? Like, you short? Oh my god. I was like, I don't sell weed. He like, I'm like, the fuck? Like I said, I don't sell weed, bitch. Right, that bit another time. You know, I don't fuck out there. What the hell? Cause that was true. I feel like I'm on FaceTime. My nose ring is coming out the bucket. My nostril, yeah. I've been recording for like 15 minutes now. Ain't nobody hit my phone. How can you be that single, bro? That shit don't make sense. How's you? Bruh, I am just now realizing that my dogs are in the background barking at each other. That shit is so lame. Like, why the fuck? Is there a crab leg stuck on me? Oh. It's in the box. My dumb ass. My big dumb ass. Where they at? Break a tooth, I'm going to be fucking devastated. Not even going to do it. I'm a weak ass. Finally a good one. Not really about to eat a shrimp, but hell no. I don't know if this video gonna get like. Restricted and like told no commenting, but tell me how y'all summer is going in the comments. You know what I mean? What the fuck? What the fuck was I talking about? Oh, my neighbors. Oh yeah. I guess my mom said they some fiends. Some real J's. I want to play some music, but I don't want to be copyrighted, so y'all can comment. Or I don't want to get. Y'all know what the fuck I mean. My hands are so fucking disgusting. in. When I just went in there, I washed my hands and then I walked out in the living room. I asked my mom, what you, like, who you was talking to? She was like, oh, I was talking to my friend, like, we finna be going out. But the event that I looked up, we're finna be going to is 2 hours away. And I was like, bitch, tell me why I'm going to an event. That shit 2 hours away. Mom, if you rent that event, I'm just playing. I love my tattoo. He loves me. I told y'all when I got my tattoo, I'm just be sitting like that. I'm really nigga. Tell y'all, like, this was really just a chill and mukbang. I don't know if anybody's gonna watch this, but if you do, thanks. Cause, bitch, my dumb ass gonna be sitting here talking to nobody for no reason if nobody fucking watched the video and subscribes and leaves a like and a comment if I don't get demonetized or whatever. So that's it. That's all. Real nigga leaving a chat, and I'll catch y'all later.